They say that although Miraflores is not the center of the city, like where the government and everything, it is the heart of the city. It is where everything happens night and day. You have the beach at 200 meters. You can surf, you can paraglide. Really, everything that you could want to do, you can do from here. And if you want to see the rest of the city, you can take the tour buses. They run from the center of the square. So for me, it's the best of everything. Like, if you name one thing, the chances are you can do it within a 10-block radius. It's also a great transport hub. Like, you can get to anywhere in the city from here, and also to other cities around Peru. But the reality is that this is Miraflores. It's not the Rio Peru, in my opinion. It's much better taken care of than other areas around Lima. And they say in Lima is 8 million people, and 500,000 people live happily and well, and the most of them live in Miraflores. So it's a very fortunate area.